My name is Mike Gutierrez, and I'm the General Vice President for the International Union of Painters and Allied Trades. I was born and raised in Santa Paula. This is where my roots are. I didn't grow up that model student. I ran the streets a little bit. I was a kid that was angry, full of frustration, and there was nothing really in Santa Paula to motivate me into a direction or a job or a career. So for me, it was really important to bring this building and construction academy back to Santa Paula so that the students from the community that I was born in can have an opportunity to succeed in life. I started as a painter when I was about 19, 20 years old. I realized at an early age that this was a career. And my vision is for every kid to have an opportunity to get into a career that's offering you a good pay, that's offering you good benefits, and that's going to give you a retirement. One of the major resources that we're bringing in is our apprentices and our instructors, people who are knowledgeable when it comes to the curriculum, when it comes to the build out of the facility, when it comes to the tools that we may need.
My name's Efren Fajardo. I'm a painting contractor. I think it's a good opportunity offering these kids a chance to advance in life and learn more about trades, learn more about themselves, and how to go out into the world and make something of themselves.
I'm Julian Nahara. I'm an instructor for the union, for the apprenticeship, and I'm a journeyman painter and sandblaster. So I do commercial painting and industrial painting. So students that enroll in this academy will 100% have an advantage over people that come into the trades later on. Getting yourself involved that way is a great first step into building like a real future.
I started as an apprentice and I did my classes, I got my certifications and got certified, and I'm here journeyman now. Some of the stuff I enjoyed about the apprenticeship is it's a hands-on training, so you're learning. You're not just stuck at the same job site, you're seeing different sites.
Some of the skills that the students will learn in this building and construction academy will be blueprint reading, as well as learning the tools of the trade, wall and finish preparation, as well as getting their certifications like OSHA certifications and boom lift certifications.
So one of the ways we help young people is teaching them the trade itself, teaching them the skills they need to do the job. And then we also offer things like money management, a college benefit, stuff like that.
We represent multiple trades. We represent the glazers, we represent the painters, we represent the floor layers, we represent the drywall finishers. So they have the opportunity not only to be a glazer at the end of their 4 years, but they have the opportunity to get into the other crafts if they choose to. With this academy, they have an opportunity to learn a trade that no matter where they go in the United States, they can get a job, right? And make good money. And this is why we're so excited about this academy.